Some of the materials and processes that we implement throughout our properties and throughout our process are going to be uniform. And what I mean by that is that we include the same common LVT resilient flooring, high quality Sherwin Williams paint, digital locks, USB outlets, new kitchens, in some cases, even installing granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, beautiful backsplashes. But most importantly, what you'll find in our delivery process and method is that it's uniform throughout. And what that does is that it mitigates some of those administrative risks and administrative costs that are associated with either tenant replacement, tenant damages, and ultimately delivers a better result to the bottom line, delivering a high quality product to our community of residents and also delivering high results for our investor partners.